We're on the hunt for the infamous and occasionally elusive professional baby fox. We happen across an Esme who's just had a drink, so her beautiful chops is soggy. But when the Waddly girl rolls over for belly rubs, you do not say no. Our hunt continues for the professional baby fox. And coming into view, the subject, our quarry. There he is, the baby fox, with morning zoomies. The only one of his species on this wide prairie, the professional baby fox, blends in almost seamlessly with the local flora and fauna. Morning playtime is an essential part of professional baby fox